Hi guys, Russell from Hit the Trail. Hope you're doing well. Recently I've been having issues with the fuel coming through the burners. One burner's been nice and powerful like normal, and one burner has had like a reduced amount of power. I've made a small video of that so you can see the difference between the two. It should be a very simple fix. We should need to just take off the burner and clean the jet nozzle where the gas comes through, and that should fix it. So let's have a look at the problem, and then let's have a go at fixing it. Right, okay, we've had a look at the actual gas flow. So now let's just take it apart and look at how to take off the burner and clean the nozzles. I'm going to clean both nozzles, and then hopefully the problem should be solved. So first thing we want to do is turn it over, and we're just going to take off the small ring that's holding the burner in place. Okay, so just remove the small ring. Okay, now then we go inside and we just lift the actual burner out, and what we want to get to is just here. We've got a small jet, and we have to remove the jet, and then we have to just clean it. So to remove the jet, just either with a multi-tool, I'm just going to use a very small pair of pliers, and then just finger remove the jet. Okay, so in the center there is a very small hole. It's really tiny and you won't be able to see it until you hold it up to the light. We're just going to put a very thin piece of wire through the nozzle and just put it backwards and forwards just to completely clean the nozzle out. And then if you hold that up to the light, you should be able to see light through it. That will mean it's clean, and then just screw it back on. Just tighten it up, don't over tighten it. That's all back in place. Then just replace the burner, carefully put it back in place, and now you need to just turn the stove over, holding the burner in place so that the brass plate is just raised up, and then you can push the ring back on like so. And then you repeat exactly the same for the other side. Right, it's all back together. Let's do a quick test to make sure it's all okay. So gas on. It's really good. One of the things I love about this stove, and I've had this stove quite a long time now, as you'll know if you've watched any previous videos, is just how you can control it. So you can really bring it down to just a simmer. Check the other side. Look at that. That's brilliant. Okay, so in order to fix that, all we actually used was a small pair of pliers, just electrical pliers, and tiny piece of wire, but it has to be really thin. Okay, so that's it. That's the stove all back together, working. Should always make sure you maintain all of your equipment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and we'll come back with some more videos soon. See you down the trail.